Dhanteras is celebrated on the first day of the 5 day long Diwali festival. The suffix teras is Hindi is synonymous with the word Triyodasi in Sanskrit, which refers to the 13th day of the waning phase of the moon. The different rituals connected to Dhanteras aims at praying for the prosperity of the households and the health and long life of the husband. On the day of Dhanteras, many households perform Lakshmi Puja. Dhanteras set the auspicious and celebrative mood for the Diwali celebration. Once upon a time there was a king named Hima who ruled over his kingdom with justice and love as the two tools of his governance. He had a son, and the astrologer predicted that his son would face the end of his life due to snake bite on his 16th year. A sense of deep anguish torments King's Hima hearts, and he searched for way to save his son's life. As per the advice of a renowned astrologer, he got his son married to a girl who had a lucky horoscope. The couple lived happily for a few years. The boy neared his 16th year, and the king started worrying about the impending death of his son. The astrological predictions said a snake would bite the boy when he stepped into the 16th year of life of the earth. On the evening of the boy's 16th birthday, the girl hatched a clever plan to save the life of her husband. She gathered all the jewels and piled them up in front of the main door. She advised her husband not to sleep, and she too stayed awake throughout the night. She sat near the entrance of the house, guarding the main door. During the appointed hours of taking the boy's life, Lord Yam, the god of death, arrived in front of the house in the form of a serpent. The snake crawled its way to the main door of the house. When the snake was about to enter the door, the pile of ornaments stopped it on the way. The ornaments were so dazzling that the snake could not see anything around it clearly. Meanwhile, the girl kept singing melodious songs throughout the night. The song was so alluring that the snake stared at the doorstep enjoying the song. The time to take the life of the boy elapsed, and Lord Yam, in the form of snakes, had to give up his mission. Through the witty idea of the girl's help save life of her husband. The legend gave rise to the events of Dhanteras celebrated year on the same day of Krishna Paksha Triyodasi in month of Kartika just before the Diwali festival. The popular belief among the Hindus has helped continue his holy tradition that say Dhanteras is the surest way to invite prosperity into the household and seek the long life of the husband.